We have to get to a point where we're not going to be a victim. We're going to be a victor. And what does that look like, ED? Well, we have to understand, as my grandma would say, the writing is way past on the wall, huh? What that mean, Grandma? The writing is way past on the wall. What she was saying was, is that the writing is on the wall and has reached past the wall. How long are you gonna sit there and keep watching the writing build up and you don't make a decision? You don't make a decision. You see, I didn't say choice. You thought I was gonna say choice. No, you have to make a decision. If this is where I want to be, and this has nothing to be. It just doesn't have to be work related. It can be personal, and you have to ask yourself: is this working or really benefiting me? Is there value being added to me? If this is not the value is not being added to me, then what am I doing here? I'm causing more harm to the person that or the stakeholders that I'm working with than helping because they don't like my ideals. They're being sidelined. I'm not being recognized. So why would I want to recognize them if I'm not even being recognized? All right, I'll move on. Maybe I got too close to home and I knocked on your front door. Excuse me, I rang the doorbell because I wanted to be polite. But I'm just being honest with you, family. We have to make that decision.